Welcome back. Today we are going to cut the front part of our skirt. Front part of our skirt. As you can see, I've already pinned it to my cloth. Remember our dotted lines. This will form the center of the skirt. So the dotted line is on the part of the cloth that I folded. It's not cut. It's the folded part of the cloth. And remember, you fold the back of the cloth. Okay. I think everything is straight now. And we are ready to do our cutting. Remember your half an inch. But before I cut, remember that the style will have another color of cloth, the lace on top of this. So before I cut it, I will measure the length of this. My length is 29 inches. So when we are cutting our cloth that will be on top of this, overlapping this according to the style, it will be much less than 29 inches. I need to mention that so that when I'm cutting my lace, you will understand why it should be shorter than 29 inches. So let's cut this. So our lower skirt is ready. Just bringing up the top front part to test it against the skirt. See, this is how it will turn out. Oh, everything is working out fine. So in my next posting, we are going to cut the back skirt before we now cut the lace that will be on top of this. And our cutting will be complete. Don't go away, stay tuned.